Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the YouTube music track into a usable file. Download the song or record audio if permissions allow. Once done, open Capcut and create a new project with the right ratio, usually 16:9. Make sure audio sample rate matches 44, 1K Hz to avoid pitch or sync issues. Next, go to Media and import the audio file directly into your library. You'll see the waveform appear. Drag it onto the timeline to begin precise trimming and placement. You now shape the music to fit your visuals. Zoom the timeline and place markers at key beats or scene changes so you can snap edits precisely. Trim using the split tool and nudge clips by 1 frame or 1/2 second to get lip sync or beat alignment perfect. Then balance audio levels, reduce track volume, add fades at start and end, and use keyframes or auto-ducking if dialogue is present. Make sure transitions match the visual rhythm for a professional flow. To finish, export your final video using AAC or MP3 audio at 192 to 320 kbps for good fidelity. You should preview the entire timeline to confirm sync and smooth fades. If you notice sync drift, make sure Capcut project frame rate and audio sample rate match the source. Adjust and realign the clip if necessary. If you hear clipping or sudden silence, normalize the track or reduce peak gain. Then re-render a short preview before final export so you're confident the audio plays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.